Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's time for another look at one of my loco purchases. I think this was back in October, and it's not in the box, a J72, or in this one's case, when it was still N.E.R in Northeastern Railway Line Green, which is Darlington Apple Green. So the loco's down there next to a tornado for reasons, so let's bring it this way. Here it is. Let's just pick her up. So, have a look. It's got springy buffers, if that's your thing. Not fuss, because I'm used to buying older models. The accessory bag came with a screw-in couplings, but you can't have the NEM pockets in, because they foul them. Comes with doors. It came with lamps, but two are on another model. I only got the one, but something this small would be a stopping passenger. Quite a bit of it's die-cast. It's got a bit of weight. The running plate feels like it's die-cast. The body's plastic. But yeah, it's this is like Darlington Apple Green. Yeah, I lost my train of thought. Ha! But it's a nice little tank engine that they got absorbed into the LNER in 1923. Wouldn't mind it in the LNER version, but you may remember I've got a J72 before, but that was an old mainline one, and the axles are split, haven't they? So it's messed everything up. So if I kill the lights, one feature this has, if you can see it, one sec, let me kill a bit more light. It's dark now. Don't know how well you can see this on the camera. I might have to get a battery. Oh, where did that go? Where did that go? I'll turn the light on back on for a minute. But right, so if I get a battery, this one's got firebox glow. Yeah, here you go. You can see it. It's got firebox glow. It'll probably work better if it was DCC fitted. Let me turn everything back on so we can see it. But it's got a firebox glow on it. And of course, I think the Hornby one's a bit brighter. But yeah, the old Northeastern Railway tank engine. Because let's face it, I need more tank engines because I tend to buy big tender locos. Probably won't be that fast though in reality, but this is by Bachmann. And I've got a few Bachmann models now. Again, if you look at the box, probably all the accessories are falling out because the bag was open. Yeah, we look at the box. There's the blister pack. Oh, strange opening box noises. Oh, there we go. So here's the owner information. I got this on Pars and Ostoff. Like to fit the doors, cab doors. Yeah, you got to remove the Then, so if you want to run a screw link on there, as well as say a lubricate, it's not really been ran in yet. Firebox flow and yeah, constant brightness for the firebox flow. Yeah, so that's about DCC fitting up for anything else. I won't be able to fit the Hornby one in there. There's fitting guide for everything. So that's that manual. What's the other one? What came in the box? Product maintenance and care. Oh, so that's a warranty, is it? Yeah. I'll keep all the paperwork anyway, Bachmann. Thanks, yeah. Bachmann's collector's card, which you probably got to pay for. Yeah, that's when I bought it. So they filled it in for me. So yeah, little J 72. Oh, J 72. That's probably more like the speed it would run. And it cuts out on the points. It's not building over. Let's get the coach. Well, really. I'll have to use the these old Hornby ones. So it's cut out on that point now. I don't think a tank engine will go that fast though, Bachmann. That's at 30% power on the Gauge Master. So yeah, that's that. I'll just want to open that point up and bring Tornado down because I've actually known this is all pro by Bachmann. I fitted the vac pipes. They're only held on by back tack because I didn't really fancy super glue on them. I'll be honest. But it also has a very annoying tender drawbar. But back to the star of today's video. I forgot to switch points. Put Tornado back. Switch points. Let's bring the J72 back. Yeah, it's J72. So hope you enjoyed the video and the brief little look at BJ72 or E1 when it was in Northeast Railway. This definitely is a different Apple grade, yeah. But then again, this is an old Hornby, so that's one of my customizations I'm doing for another time. Anyway, cheers for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, all that usual YouTube stuff. Help the channel grow so I get at least 500 subscribers this year. That's a good aim to have for 2025. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.